Does consent play into this at all? Islam's view on concubines.
A Muslim man can have up to 4 wives at once. And in addition to the 4 wives, he can have an unlimited number of concubines, which refer to women who are basically have slave status. When they are owned by her master, a woman owned by her master has to freely give herself to the master. The master has the right to have sexual relations with her.
How does consent play into this at all?
By virtue of the fact that she's owned, she does not have the right to consent or to withhold herself from her master. The master has the full right over her, and her consent does not play anything in this relationship.
Made in man's image, shaped by fear, drawn with stories yet to hear, voiced by power, ruled by kings. God was made like other